For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on your Thursday, September 24th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're following at this hour. Only one new COVID-19 case reported in Vermont on Wednesday for a current Vermont statewide total of 1,721 with 58 deaths. No changes in Windham County with 123 cases and 3 deaths. 25 new positive test results for COVID-19 reported in New Hampshire on Wednesday for a current New Hampshire statewide total of 8,007 with 438 deaths. Cheshire County remains at 143 cases and 3 deaths. 542 new confirmed COVID-19 cases reported in Massachusetts on Wednesday, bringing the Massachusetts total number of confirmed cases statewide to 126,408. There are 17 new deaths reported for a total of 9,135 confirmed death cases. In Franklin County, Massachusetts, cases remain at 404 and deaths remain at 67. The Vermont Health Department says a disproportionate number of people of color have COVID-19 in Vermont. The department says contributing factors include systemic and structural racism, socioeconomic disadvantage, historical injustice, and oppressive systems that affect the conditions in which people are born, grow, live, and work. Remedies suggested include focusing on primary prevention, engaging with communities, as well as funding racial justice initiatives and partnering with racial justice advocacy organizations to reduce health disparities. The United Way of Windham County is looking for your help to prioritize the needs in the coming year. In collaboration with the Larner College of Medicine at the University of Vermont and other Vermont United Ways, the United Way of Windham County is asking people across the state of Vermont to share their priorities and perceptions about the health of our community. Anyone who is 18 or older and is a Vermont resident is invited to complete the survey. The online survey will close on September 30th. Vermont Governor Phil Scott has signed a new law creating new programs to reduce greenhouse gas emissions in the thermal energy and transportation sectors. Vermont's efficiency utilities will create programs to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from the transportation and thermal sectors. The move is meant to both lower carbon emissions and to reduce energy costs. The Brattleboro Retreat has a new chief financial officer. Beth Chag has more than 30 years of experience in healthcare finance, including senior finance leadership roles in hospital and human service settings over the past 18 years. She comes to the retreat from Trinity Health of New England Senior Communities. WTSA Sports, the youngest player on the court, made the difference. 20-year-old Tyler Hero of the Miami Heat scored 37 points to lead Miami to a 112-109 Game 4 win over Boston last night. Miami takes a 3-1 lead in their Eastern Conference Final Series. Jason Tatum scored 28 points. Miami and Boston play again tomorrow night. Tip-off is at 8:30. Red Sox beat the Orioles thanks to Nathan Eovaldi, who struck out 8. Boston beats Baltimore 9-1. Those two teams play again this evening with the first pitch at 7:30. The Yankees commit a season-high 4 errors in losing to Toronto. The Bombers get thumped 14-1 by the Jays. Gary Sanchez had 2 of those errors. Those two teams play again this evening with the first pitch at 6:35. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Thursday, September 24th, my name is Ian Kelly.